What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make habits stick. When I started my entrepreneurial journey after quitting my job, I had to sit down and rethink my life. And I realized I needed to change a lot of things that I was doing initially so that I can be able to start and even build a consultancy business. So some of these points that I'm giving you here are things that I have tested out in my life and have really helped me. Remember, every day is a working progress. You don't get them all in one day. You work, test out what feels good for you, work on. So I'm going to give you these points for free in this video. Make sure to stick to the end of this video to get them all. So let's get started. Point number 1, start small. In this video that I'm going to link up here, you need to go and watch this video. By the way, I'm talking about the science behind a habit sticking. We want to change our mind. What is the process of changing our mind? Remember now, when you make a new habit, it means you're going to change the state at which your mind was initially and wants to shift it to another new behavior. You want it to adapt and make this new habit, this new decision, a habit. So it is going to take time. So please start small. Go step by step. Do not overwhelm yourself. Break down your big behavioral change that you want. Break it down and make sure to do something every day about it. If it's about, say for example, exercise, start small. Start with a day. Start small. Start with simple exercises. Prepare your body, prepare your mind. Do not overwhelm your mind. Don't go big and then get overwhelmed, get burned out and leave. Start small. Point number 2, it's called the 5-second rule. Now this 5-second rule says that you have 5 seconds to make a decision. You know what that means? By the count of 5, you should have started doing what you wanted. And especially if you have a problem of waking up. That is where I wanted to make this change. Waking up had been a problem for me. If you want to wake up, especially to come and exercise in the morning. So what I did, the alarm goes off, then I'm like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And by the time I'm mentioning 1, my feet are on the floor and I've already woken and I'm on my way out of bed. Because it takes 5 seconds, you have a 5-second gap before your mind starts convincing you otherwise. So if it's time to leave the gaming station and go do something, count 5 seconds and please make sure you are out of that place or you're already starting the business that you need to start doing. The other one is point number 3, make it convenient. Make it convenient for yourself. For example, you have a goal of drinking more water. Make it convenient. Always have a glass of water on your working station. Always have a water bottle with you wherever you go. If you want to drink water in the morning, make sure to have water next to your bed so that when you wake up in the morning, the first thing that you see is that water and drink it. So make it convenient. If you want to go and work out in the morning, maybe run in the morning, make sure you have your shoes and your attires next to your bed. So when you get up, you just have to wake up and wear your shoes or get into your attires and move out. So make it convenient. Do not go so hard on yourself. Remember, these are dreams, these are goals, these are habits you want to have and you want to carry it probably for the rest of your life. Point number 4, make a habit tracker. What does this mean? Maybe you wanted to wake up, maybe you wanted to exercise every day, 5 to 6 times a day. So then make sure to track your habit. How well are you doing it? Have a tracker. Say in the first week of the month, you worked out twice per week, maybe once per week. So have a tracker where you can see progress. So then with time, you can be able to see if this strategy, whatever strategy you're using, is working out or is not working out, and then you can be in a position to change. Remember, this is a lifetime behavior you want to develop, so please do not stick to something that is not working. Maybe this is not for you. Leave it. Pick up something else. Maybe you need to adjust to the strategy you're using. So have a habit tracker see how well you're progressing with your habit, and this is going to encourage you, or it's going to tell you it's time. Point number 5, remember your why. Remember why you started that behavior. Remember why you set that goal. Remember why you wanted the habit. For example, I wanted a habit of reading. I wanted to read more books. Then, why do I want to read more books? Because books are the most affordable coach I can ever come across, most affordable therapist, most affordable mentor. Name them. Books is one goal that I wanted to have, one habit that I wanted to have, a reading habit. So what did I do? I always remember why I want to read a book. So if a week goes by before I read a book, then I have to go back and remind myself why I decided to develop this reading habit. The same as you want to lose weight. Why do you want to lose weight? There must be a reason. Maybe there is a dress you want to fit in. Maybe there is a body type that you want, or a body shape that you want. I don't know, you want your, your muscles or whatever. When do you start losing weight? That is the reason. That should be strong enough to motivate you to keep up with your habits. Alright? So always remember your why whenever you feel disappointed or you feel like you're running out of energy. Point number 6. Always identify yourself as a person who is already in the new habit. For example, identify yourself as a person who exercises every day. The way you speak to yourself, how do you speak to yourself? That internal conversation, how do you have it? What words do you use? Make sure to identify yourself as that person. When you speak to your friends, how do you speak to them? You want to get money, to make money, or you want to be a business owner? Do you speak like a CEO? Do you speak like you already own the business even before you own it? Start identifying yourself like that person, that person who runs, that person who reads books, that person. Start feeling like that person. Alright? So the brain knows there must be a thing we have to do. And of course, if that happens, it gets you into the flow. It gets you into the state of that thing that you want already, even before it happens. And the good thing about this is that the mind does not realize when it is happening or when it is just acted. So if you're acting like you have already lost weight, the body doesn't realize that you're just acting. So it's just going to definitely start losing that weight because that is a current situation. Does not know if it is acted or real. So please be in the state. And when you fail, this is point number 8. I lost count. When you fail, you only fail because you stopped trying. They say run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, what do they say? I don't know. That saying. So every day, like I keep saying, is working progress. Make sure to do something. If you cannot be able to dig on that day, just scratch around the ground. One day you're going to get there. So do not give up. Keep trying. Every day is a working progress. So make sure to do something about it. If you wanted to lose weight and you were not able to exercise, did you drink water? Did you eat did you eat healthy? Did you do something? Did you take the stairs instead of the lift? That is enough. Always make sure to do something small towards your goal, towards that behavior or habit that you want to achieve. So you're only going to fail if you do not try. The moment you stop trying, you're failed. And finally, my final point, I'm going to tell you, be gentle on yourself. Be gentle on yourself. Give it the benefit of time. Give it the benefit of time. Maybe a habit you want to change, it's so much rooted in our brain. Maybe it's something that you adopted when you were a child. If it's weight loss, you gained this weight over the last 5 years. So you do not expect to lose it within a month, within 1 year. So give it the benefit of time. Be gentle on yourself. Celebrate the small wins that you get. Alright? So till next time, make sure to watch this video that I'm going to link up here, or it's up here, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit on the subscription button, hit on the notification bell, like this video, and share it with your fellow countrymen. Till next time, bye bye.